Dear students, welcome to the English class. Today I shall conduct the revision of our grammar topic, personal pronouns. I have explained this particular topic in our earlier sessions. I hope you watched the video. If not, please do watch the video so that you are able to understand the concept very well. Now today I am going to conduct a revision of the same topic. So let's get started. Personal pronouns. What is a personal pronoun? Well, a personal pronoun is a short word. We can use it as a simple substitute for the proper name of a person, animal, place, or thing. That means we can use it in place of a proper name of a person, animal, place, or thing. Let's understand it better with examples. Example of personal pronouns are I, me, we, us, you, he, she, it, they, him, her, them. Personal pronoun represents three persons. First person is I, me, we, us. Second person, you. Third person, he, she, it, they, him, her, them. There are three different types of personal pronouns. They are first person personal pronoun. Example, I, me, we, us. Second one, second person personal pronoun. Example, you. Third person personal pronoun, he, she, it, they, him, her, them. Let's understand each of them better. First person personal pronoun indicates the person who is speaking. It includes personal pronouns like I, me, we, us. Example, I enjoying playing now. Uh, First person indicates a person who is speaking. It includes personal pronoun like I, me, we, us. Example, I enjoy playing in the snow. We were very tired. So here the indication is for the first person and therefore the first personal pronoun. Second person personal pronoun indicates the person to whom you are speaking to. It includes personal pronoun like you. Example, you must read this book. You have scored well. Here we are talking to the second person. So therefore you in the first sentence and second and you again in the second sentence are examples of personal pronoun. Third person personal pronoun indicates the noun who is spoken of. For example, he, she, it, they, him, or and they, them. Example, he is very happy. She has done her work. It is very hungry. They are waiting for us. They are waiting for you. In the first example, he. In the second example, she and she and they. She and her are personal pronoun. In the third example, it is very hungry. It is a personal pronoun. In the fourth, they are waiting for you. They and you are. They are is a third person personal pronoun, whereas you is the first person, second person personal pronoun. Let's solve some exercise. Fill in the blank with suitable personal pronoun. Dash love to read storybooks. Options are them and they. And the answer is they love to read storybooks. I have done dash duty. Options them, my. Answer, I have done My duty. Sarah has hurt a leg. Dash is crying. Options: they, she. And the answer is Sarah's hurt a leg. She is crying. Third one. The workmen were tired. Dash rested for a while. Options: they or he. And the answer is they. The workmen were tired. They rested for a while. Fourth one. Rahul won the first prize. Dash parents were happy. Options are us and is. And the answer is Rahul won the first prize. His parents were happy. Fifth one. Ruby was happy to see Dash best friend. She jumped with joy. Options: she and her. And the answer is Ruby was happy to see her best friend. She jumped with joy. Sixth one. My pet dog is very cute. Dash loves to sleep with me. Options: us, it. And the answer is it. My pet dog is very sweet. It loves to sleep with me. Next, the children played a lot. Now Dash are very hungry. And the options are my and they. And the answer is they. The children played a lot. Now they are very hungry. Next, we were hungry, so my father gave Dash a treat. Options are we and us. And answer is we were hungry, so my father gave us a treat. Ninth one. I have 5 cats. I have taken them for a ride. Options: I or us. And the answer is I have 5 cats. I have taken them for a ride. Option answer is 1. I have 5 cats. I have taken them for a ride. Next one. I love to listen to stories. Please will you dial -1. Options are me and I. And the answer is I love to listen to stories. Please will you. I love to listen to stories. Please will you tell -1. Options are me and I. And the answer is